Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connectors. This is the fastest way to rule out simple failures. Remove the card, inspect the PCIe gold fingers for dirt, and reseat it firmly. Listen for the click. Once done, check the PSU adapter cable to the GTX 1050 Ti. A loose 6-pin can prevent video output. Then switch monitor inputs and swap to a known good HDMI or DisplayPort cable to isolate cable or monitor issues. Next, address firmware and software causes because the system can default to onboard graphics. Reset BIOS with the CMOS jumper or remove the battery for about 5 to 10 seconds, then boot the machine. If you have integrated graphics, connect the monitor there and disable the discrete GPU in BIOS to force detection. Once stable, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to remove corrupt drivers. Then perform a clean install of the latest NVIDIA driver so the OS recognizes the card properly. Finally, isolate hardware with a cross test. Install the GTX 1050 Ti into another known good PC to confirm whether the card itself is dead. While doing that, inspect voltages if you can. Measure 12V at the slot and confirm stable rail readings. Fluctuating power often kills display output. If the card works elsewhere, you likely have a motherboard or PSU issue. If it fails, pursue RMA. Troubleshooting tip. If no post and no fan spin, suspect power delivery, do not keep testing without professional help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.